Hi, my name is Gladys with the City of Sarasota Parks and Recreation District, and today we're going to make homemade ice cream.
Today the ingredients you will need is 1 cup of half and half, 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, a half teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, 3 cups of ice, 1/3 cup of kosher salt, and toppings of your choice. Today's toppings will be sprinkles. And don't forget, you will need a bowl, spoon, and 1 sandwich bag and 1 freezer bag.
In your small sandwich bag, you're going to put the half and half. Two tablespoons of sugar, 1, 2, and your vanilla extract. Make sure you press all the excess air out and seal tightly. Now you're going to grab your large freezer bag with the 3 cups of ice. Add your kosher salt. Place the small bag inside the bigger bag. Seal tightly. Now we're going to shake for 7 to 10 minutes. Now you're going to take your ice cream out of the bag and just make sure you rinse off the excess salt. Now you're going to scoop your ice cream out into your bowl. Toppings and sprinkles. Let's try it out.